Anyway, I've told some little loud.
लोक लागून करप्शन जाता पैसा दिवता हिंगा आता वोटिंग डे रायट रात्रीचे लोक तुमका पुलिसीन धोताले मरे सगळ्यांकू पुलिस दिताचे and the being candidate have cast this thing both the sisters of the candidate are distributing money over there and I can't see that where are the police not sleeping here then come gale media rank churches TMC distributing money here.
I got a complaint. I got a complaint long ago saying that Churchill's two daughters are sitting on chairs here outside the compound, calling people, their leaders. The leaders are coming, किती मार्क करतात आणि बंडल 50,000, 1 लाख, 50,000, 1 लाख डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करता म्हणून. हांव बिझी आशिल्ले तेलावली मागीर हांव बूथ 34, 35, 36 म्हजे रिकॉर्ड घेवपाक हांगा पावल्यार हांवें आरोक फोन मारलो. आरोन फर्स्ट कॉल घेतला मला मॅडम विदिन 15 मिनिट्स धाडटा म्हणून हांवें तिका कंप्लेन दिली सी प्लीज कम म्हणून. नाव 1 hour past nobody had come. I was continuously calling. When I reached here, Valankas, both the sisters, Churchill's both the daughters with bags, पर्स्यो अशें दोन तांचे ते फॅमिलीचे ओनर आसात ती तांकां सपोर्ट करून ती धांवली भितर. I understand, but I could not keep quiet because this is cheating. I went inside running. I followed them. One of the daughters of Churchill is wearing yellow orange chudidar. I see असलो कलर चुडीदार घालून आसा. दोगांय बाथरुमांत लिपल्यात आनी हांव बाथरुमार मारता लॉक करून हेंणी तांकां लिपोवन दवरला. आतां आफ्टर कंप्लेनिंग DYSP सगळे पुलीस ऑफिसर्स येयले. नोबडी वॉज टेकिंग रेडी टू टेक एक्शन. वी कॉल्ड RO फायनली हेज कम एंड RO इज गॉन इनसाइड. हांव मिडियाक सांगूं सोदता when I went behind, the owner of the house opened the back door and telling her, मैडम बाहर निकलो जरा, मैडम बाहर निकलो, बाहर से भागो. That's why they have kept our boys there because police, instead of telling, police was not doing anything there.
Police are not taking action.
Now both the daughters of Churchill, both Churchill's daughter are hiding in the bathroom. Now returning officer is gone along with police. I'm expecting because खरें ते जावपा जाय आनी हांव लोकांक सांगता एक वर उरला असले करप्शन जाता म्हणून तुमची कामां जायना, तुमच्या भुरग्यांक जॉब मेळना. कोविडा टायमार हे केन्ना नाशिल्ले ते पयशाचे तोंड पळयनाकात. हे मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग
कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून
रोड पर देख रहे हैं, उनको नहीं देख रहे हैं. हम लोग आगे चेक कर रहे हैं, मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है कि हम लोग ये है इधर.
Hello, you have to get them out now. They are hiding in the.
देखो इधर कोई हम लोग एक एग्जाम्पल तुम आके बैठेगा तो हम लोग वेलकम करेंगे आपको, आके बैठो बोल के. आ गए तो इसको इतना कन्फर्म था तो पुलिस को बुलाना था. विदाउट ये परमिशन नहीं कि अंदर परमिशन लेना चाहिए. क्यों अंदर गया इसने? परमिशन लेके नहीं, परमिशन लेना चाहिए ना. इधर हमारा मम्मी है, मम्मी को अटैक आया तो मरती तो क्या होता था? रिस्पॉन्सिबल कौन लेता है? हाँ घर में आया हुआ सही आके टेबल फोड़ता है, ये फोड़ता है, क्या गुंडा लेके आता है. सुनना था सोना चोरी गया, अभी कौन देगा इसको बोलते बोल. हाँ बिना परमिशन के कैसे अंदर घुसा इसने? कौन घुसा अंदर? प्रतिमा ने घुसा इधर अंदर आके. इधर तो गुंडे 10-15 आदमी को लेके तोड़ फोड़ किया इसने. वीडियो है अंदर, वीडियो सब हमारे ग्रुप के साथ में हम लोग दिखाएंगे, एविडेंस के साथ में हम लोग आएंगे.
Hello, please get them out of the bathroom. They are hiding in the washroom. You all have seen. Remove them out. Gundagiri is going on. Gundagiri. Even returning officer. Get them out from the bathroom. This is wrong.
फुकट येले ना
See how he's running.
हाँ बॉल से बोलले तू गेली बोलली काय सांग आम्ही खर्च केलं ना बसला इलेक्शन चल रे अरे आंसर दे रे आंसर दे
बाथरूम में तो कार है let the media also see, let all of Goa see how Churchill's daughter are hiding now in the bathroom, who are busy giving money to my voters in housing board. He is not even ready to get them out. I thought he would do something.
Why you are not giving the answer? Why you are not giving the answer? Why more? Don't allow him. पुलिस आहे तुम्ही त्या जाणता पळून तिथं जाणता पण किती आमची सुद्धा बाहेर
फुल
दादागिरी दादागिरी Don't
कार्ड बाहेर की बाथरूमात निघल्या पोलीस असा तुम्ही तिकडून काय करणार झालं
ओके शी विल कम
What is happening?
How do we trust you? How do we trust you? Madam, how do we trust you?
What has happened actually? What has happened actually? What has happened? What has happened? Give me police protection. I will show where they are hiding. You all come with me. Let the arrow come. Give me police protection. आता दूर नका. चोरा मशीन ती लिपून बसले आता बाथरूमात. किती रे पैसे? 1 लाख 2 लाख 5 लाख. काम करा मला. This is to buy. This is to buy.
आमचा टाइम आहे सारा आणि गंजान कोण केला खबर ना
Last 2 hours I'm calling the RO. RO is not picking up my call. Last 2 hours I'm going to complain to the election commission now. Looking at this, I feel no, police is gone. Police is also gone. See there, how much police is there? Why one police is not coming? Send a lady police and remove them out.
Do you sense a fixing or something in this?
Fixing. Yes, Pramod Sawant and TMC is fixing. BJP and TMC is fixing is going on. हांव एकच सांगता कित्याक पुलीस कोणाचो सरकाराचो इलेक्शन कमिशन आसा RO आसा फ्लाइंग स्क्वॉडाचो इंचार्ज आसा शंभरांनी
from
police
morning
बोलल्या.
this is happening. This is
शंभर
from
police
morning,
बोलल्या.
not even
I
now.
told them, give me a lady police officer. I will take in the bathroom and will remove out. Question up. Arrow went inside, flying squad went inside. They spoke, something came. Device came, went. So 110%.
फोटो मारून हाडलो जाल्यार 5,000 रुपया. वोट मारपाचो फोटो मारून हाडल्यार 5,000 रुपया.
रेट दवरल्या. एक मनशाक.
आणि कोणाक कळना तकलेन सारकें ना तांकां खबर ना खंय मारपाचें थंय एकटो कोण वचोन पेन माग करून येता आनी धावो वता तो वायप करून सोडटा.
आता
Ata what we are hearing, what are we supposed to do? We don't have the Sarkari in our hand, not to do this.
Pramod Sawant is hand in gloves with Churchill. That's why his daughters are given safety. 2 hours now we are here. Why the police? शंभरांनी police असा device पे होऊन गेलो. Or flying squadचे सगळे officer हांगा असा. Why they are not removing her out from the bathroom? Both the daughters of Churchill were just giving lakhs of rupees. Photo काढून अट्टा पोशे. Photo काढून bundle.
Pratima, do you feel that election commission and the government machinery, including police, have failed in exercising their duty?
Pathetic I'm saying. Are why you are keeping elections yaar? Why you are keeping elections? Don't keep elections only. कित्याक तुम्ही इलेक्शन दवरतात? आम्ही कष्ट करतात, लोकांक काम करतात. डेमोक्रेसी म्हणटा ते उरुना. आयज पुलीस, आयज इलेक्शन कमिशन सगळे आय थिंक ऑल आर इन बॉट. इलेक्शन
क्लियर कर तांकां भायर सरपा दिवपाक
तुम्ही पहिला असतले आय सगळे police, all high ranking police officers are here. Around 100 police officers are there. If the Churchill's daughters are hiding and we have given them proof, why these lady police officers are not going and removing them out? Is it not cheating? Is it not cheating? Police सगळे hand in gloves. Even the flying squad officer, nobody is taking action.
7 o'clock.
This is the thing. Navin would be gone.
मीडिया पुलिस थोड़ा एक्शन लेना पड़ेगा. हमको पुलिस नहीं होना पता है. Why they are doing this? ऐसा जब सांगता है
In the bathroom there, both the daughters of Churchill.
They are given the permission.
My fault.
They are hiding.
How should we listen to some
And how can
officer?
police can say
What
go
will they
from here?
decide?
Why on one elections? I'm here last 2 hours now.
अरे पुलिस आमची काय सांगते हिंगा ऑफ म्हणून because we are
Ulta Chor, Kotwal ko dante. And the top device P and all are coming telling you all go, you all go. So you all are here to give security. Get them. Bribe, rishwat, respect.
Both Churchill's daughters are distributing money here. They are sitting here
They
and they
have
are
already
distributing
seen.
money. And we have seen them distributing money. So they made a noise. Pratima made a noise there. She came running there.
Both ran in the bathroom.
But they both ran.
And they're inside.
So there are lady constables there. No, they can go and see. Whether she is inside or
They're
not.
hiding in the bathroom.
That will solve the problem. Why can't they go inside and search for it?
Election होतो ना काही. Election commission should distinguish the election. So I'm going. Get your gun. Ready.
There it is.
Naveli and Pandit Singh Naveli, that person is playing the dirty politics. आता सगळे जाण आहे की किती चलता ते आता तू लेडी कॉन्स्टेबलाच्या भितर वचून ताका भायर हाडपाक जाता. All money is there, everything is there, it's open, and all the candidates they दिस टायम इज क्रुशियल नाव 1 वर आनी उरला आतां 4 जाली आनी 1 वर उरला ते वरां आमी तेच वयतले कितें हेच वयतले बट नो ऑफिसर इज टेकिंग एनी एक्शन.
Officers have gone inside and come. They've already gone inside. After they came outside, before going they were all hyper. After they came outside, they were all silent and trying to run away from us. What does that say? How do we trust these people? We can't even trust these officers because we are going behind them everywhere and they are trying to run away. सकाळच्यान पळयता 16:30च्यान हांगा बसल्यात ती आख्खी टीम येता तितले ग्रुप करता तांकां कितें शिकयता आनी धाडटा. आमचे कडेन गुंडा नात बाबा. हांव जाल्यार फर्स्ट टायम हांव एकटोच भोंवता सगळे कडेन. आमच्यान येवन तेंचे कडेन झगडी केल्यार तलवारी बी घेवन भायर सरतली. We are not come to do that kind of politics here. We are trying to do it clean. We have not done anything of this nonsense. But I don't know why these lady constables also cannot go inside and
The
check.
thing is what one hour before some I heard some text coming on my name that Riyan Gunds are making some trouble in Rundamall. Myself, I was not in Rundamall. I came now listening to this what rubbish thing is happening. But हिंगा सारखे कोट्टा लोकांक कितें कोण गुंडाराज करता कोण पयशांचे कितें करता ते लोकांक चिंतपा जाय पाटी आमगे नायलकार आमकां भायले कोण ना.
आणि रेहानागे गुंडाराज नाहलेलो. Okay, he is my opponent, but I have the video where his brother was being attacked. Rehan's brother, the clear video is there over here. So it was not they who were doing it. तेगेल भावाक काडून हांवें लोकून भायर काडला. हां आनी मागीर म्हाज्याय आंगार येयले थंय झगडे करपाक कित्याक व्हिडिओ येयलो म्हणून.
आणि कोणाचे
हे कोणाचे कितें हाडले एकमेकाक तेजेर झगडी जाली. झगडी जाली तितून तेगेलो भाव आसलेलो तो थंय 1-2 जाणां वांगडा आसले आनी ते 100 जाण थंय हेजे भावाच्या अगेन्स्ट येयले. आमी काडून ताका लोकून साडीन घालपाक पयले झगडे नाका म्हणून थिंगा. And then they came on us because one of my boy was taking a video. And they came, अरे डिलीट करता काय. आम्ही थोडं बाबा आम्ही गँग घेऊन भोवना हांव एकटो भोंवता झगडटाले झगडा ओगी रावले सगळे. And why are they putting the name on Rihan Muzar ke Gunds and all? I have the video over here.
See right now
Why spoiling names?
thing is what is happening, you know. See Naveli who is contesting, see all the results are good, but Naveli people are not accepting her. Whoever she is who is contesting outside Naveli is calm. That is not democracy. No, this is not democracy. Yeah. We are not understanding what is going on right now. सगळे कितें जाता ते आमी नायलकार कितें पिशे हिंगा
बाजार लोकांचो.
वायजली त्या थिंकींग प्लीज हे चोय आनी तुमचो जो उलो कोण आहे ते वोट घाता ते चित्या आनी वोट घाला.
Yeah, please go on. Whoever remaining, please do the needful.
या भितर वयता ना म्हणून सांगता